Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to level up your walls fast in Clash of Clans, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you some pro tips on how to upgrade your wall quickly. So let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. One of the easiest way to speed up your wall update is by using gems. Of course, gems are very valuable resources, so spend them wisely. If you have accumulated some gems, go ahead and use them to upgrade multiple walls at once, especially when you are progressing through a higher level. Now, it's essential to prioritize your walls, balance your upgrades with other defenses and upgrades that need attention too. Keep an eye on special events. Supercell often run events with discounted upgrade cost, and sometimes they even offer extra reward for wall upgrades. And another great tip is to donate resources to your clanmate. This can help you get clan perks and even give you extra reward through clan games or clan chest event. Plan ahead and save your resources. The more you can save, the quicker you'll be able to upgrade wall. A smart strategy is to upgrade the outer wall first and gradually work your way in. This ensures that the core of the base is protected, especially if you have a higher level town hall or important structure in the middle of your base. So there you have it, some simple but effective tips to upgrade your wall quickly in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.